guys, welcome back to my channel. So welcome to the new vlog. So today is Sunday, so Sunday of February. So we're going to the salon, guys. I forgot to book an appointment for the girls, and usually daddy takes them. So Northgate, Chris Corner, they didn't have an appointment, and then so today I'm just gonna do the run around go Northgate. I saw a kids salon there and it's pretty new, so let's go try our luck. I'm not sure. I hope even if they can just wash them, and I'll bring them back tomorrow for plating. So let's go. Let's go, guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's a brand new day. Today it's Tuesday. Guys, I look so beautiful with this braids. So welcome to another day. So today it's Tuesday, and what am I doing today? There's nothing much to do. I just did a dough for Magwenya. Yeah, I just made a dough. And then right now I quickly wanna go to Checkers. So yeah, go Checkers. I'm going to buy, I forgot the name, but they out cleaner the carpets. It comes with a sponge, like a brush sponge. It's, yo guys, it's working so good. But anywho, yeah, I'm going to buy that because one, like my helper was busy cleaning my couches yesterday, but then and then the water just made a mark. So she wanted to like rewash them. I was like, no, let's get that thing so you can just rewash that part, and it's not gonna be a whole lot of work, because now she wanted to brush the saper and everything else. But anyway, without wasting any time, let's quickly go to Checkers. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get bread. I think I'm gonna get acha because I want Magwenya, the French polony. Like when I break my fast, I'm gonna break straight right into Magwenya. Let's go, guys. I hope you guys are not gonna fall. I'll be so happy if you guys don't fall, because yo, these tripods, they're just too much. Sun kissed. No, okay. Let's see if I can hold you guys. Yay! You. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Woo, let's actually run. Yo, guys, and then it's that time of the year already. We can't be busy working homework. Yo, so I'm gonna be busy helping her with her homeworks. Sure, guys, parenting is tough. I have a life right and center. Kids making sitting. Let me reduce the light, cause woo.
At LAX to buy the Whopper.
So you having a Whopper tomorrow morning?
Traveling back as we speak.
These pots, they're very good. That's what I heard. I haven't tried them because I'm looking for a set of pots. So So I think that one will be good. I'm gonna care it, but not today. I wanted to show you guys the other one that's very commonly used, but I can't see it, and it's very good. Maybe I should just do a review of my pots and then show you guys which ones are like very good from Checkers, Please, and your love Le Crusade. But I'm so disappointed with the Le Crusade one. Yo. Okay, we are here, and what we need is here. This thing is now increased, eh? So this is what I want. It does remove the stains, so those smaller stains. So now what's the difference? 600. Oh, so 600 grams, right? Is 54 rand, and then 650 grams, it's 124. Yo, these prices don't make sure. Definitely don't make sure. And then there's no 500 grams in Couple Care, Love, and Vanilla Mr. Sheen. Oh, this one. Oh, okay. I guess I'll get the Bayakam. I thought it's the same thing. This is the one. I'm not sure if I should take two. I'm gonna take one. This thing is so fucking expensive. Guys, can you say two? Hi. Can not fela hore what if I fit those two cushions because they are huge. So yeah, I took two. Let me get something to spray my hair. Hey guys, I wanted to show you the stains on this, but I can't see it anymore because auntie just washed it. So it was a water stain that was this side, and then she cleaned this. So she wanted to clean the whole thing. Hence I went and got Mr. Beckham. So once it's dry, I'll show you how it looks. But I do trust Mr. Beckham. It does help. It does definitely help. In this way, like giving some clean, fresh start. let's put this babies here. So see them. See, kapag ang puso ko ng bola, mampon, and then mampon na like it's your plate. Well, I'm calling you so we can eat.
So
We must stay here. Let me see if I can see.
Yeah. Okay, now you're perfect. Which one is yours? Which spoon?
You can take. I want the small spoon. Let's see.